So this is the story of Magora. That's why I need to salute him. Salute Magora. Now, and you heard how he was being persecuted, being denied his licenses. But he's a fighter. That's how he linked up with one of his friends, a boy who I think is a brother of one of our former commanders, Patrick Lumumba. And then that boy took him to my uncle in the village. So really, I want to salute Magora, salute his family, his wife, and those who have been speaking with him, because this is part of the resistance movement. You resist all these bad people. Mulemerao, you don't give up. When we were here, it was the same story. We were resisting. Because we had told, first of all, we didn't even talk to Amin. Amin, we didn't get a chance to talk to him. But the one we used to talk to was Obote. But they didn't listen. So we had to fight. Now Magora has had to fight. And others. Everybody who does something good in Africa is fought by the neo-colonial Africans. Buli mu Africa ageza kukola ekyomugaso, Abafrika bali abakolera abanyunyusi bamulwanyisa. They can't see value. Ekyomugaso tebakiraba, balaba ebifu bye balaba. Bibatwala ng'ebikulu. So I salute Magora. Now he has struggled, but there are others also. There is a lady called Dr. Muranga. Germany is exporting $21 billion of coffee. Germany. Germany is earning $21 billion from coffee. The whole of Africa is earning $2.5 billion. And they grow no coffee. Africa, abali memwanyi bo bagabanako 2.5 billion. So you wonder, season is never kulembeze or what sort of? Zina experts. Do they have experts? What Germany is earning from coffee is almost equal to what all the third world countries, because I told you the coffee business is 460 billion. The coffee growing countries, all of them together, Brazil, Vietnam, all of them, Africa, earn 25 billion. And Germany, from coffee alone, is earning 21 billion. Who are saying that now that we are going ahead with this pharmaceutical factory, we now need additional raw materials. Now, one of the raw materials is pharmaceutical grade starch.
As I was saying, our vaccine project is on course. On that building you see there where you laid the foundation stone is up, and we are waiting for the fabricated facility that is going to come and supplement it for completion. Our projected revenue arising out of this investment by the 5th year will exceed USD 5 billion as a minimum. However, our target is to generate revenue of over 10 billion per year by the 10th year. Being a facility that we have constructed in compliance with all the major international regulations, to comply with the Foods and Drug Authority, which is the most stringent, to comply with the World Health Organization, to comply with the European Medical Agency and our own National Drug Authority regulations. We are very sure that we will achieve that target. So the project will be majorly focused on the following areas. We shall produce all the 3,000 formulations, which we already have the technology and the licenses to do. We will produce vaccines. We will produce the latest cancer drugs. We will produce cytokines. We shall produce therapeutic proteins, peptides, biological drugs, and Your Excellency also engage in drug discovery. We'll also get involved in gene therapy and cell therapy. And lastly, we shall start manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients.
Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to thank you so much for believing in this young man. Your Excellency, today, everybody is saying they are happy about what has happened. But believe me, there was a time when the agencies did not even have time for him. This time he came to me very frustrated that he has to continuously explain himself to the agencies, because no one thought that an African, a Ugandan, is an entrepreneur. They wanted to see a white skin. But you believed in him and supported him. I don't know how many times I called you when he was in trouble, called you when the banks were disturbing him, when things were not working, but you said no, this is important for our country, important for Africa. So you soldiered on and supported him up to today. So thank you so much, Your Excellency.
I warmly congratulate Mr. Magola and all those that have worked with him in this great life-changing project of producing medicines, much of them derived from our own local materials. Its main objective is to achieve a common goal, which is improved health care.
Thank you very, very much. I would also like to ask Your Excellency to please take a photo with the Magola family. So that is